Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe. COVID-19 care and COVID-19 treatment has brought in a transformation in the way medicine is practiced, and this certainly has an impact on the design of medical devices and healthcare equipment. We at Tata Elxsi are engaged with different customers providing solution in design, innovation and technology in the healthcare space, and we have been forced to challenge every aspect of our solution, especially when it comes to devices and the ecosystem around it. There are a few areas which have gained prominence, for design consideration. Just to name them few, distancing has become an important aspect while designing a device, purely because of the risk of infection. Just to give you an example, an old traditional stethoscope, a humble stethoscope, has been a first instrument probably a physician or a doctor will use to check or listen to the heart and the lung condition of the patient. But in the given scenario, it is very difficult for doctors to use that stethoscope, especially when you are using a PPE or you have to be in close proximity to the patient, which again pose a risk. And in this scenario, smart devices are coming into picture where they are able to fill in that gap, where you are able to reduce the risk. Smart devices where you are able to listen to the heart and the lung condition of a patient wearing a headset, connected wirelessly, and thus further reducing the risk of treatment. Also, the way the CMFS, what we call as the color, material, finish, and the shape of the device to be designed have a very special consideration now, because most of the devices or couple of devices are going to have a very regular regime of cleaning or sterilization. So how the shape or the form of the devices should be conducive and easy enough to maintain, to have them clean very regularly with very plain surfaces, very even uniform surfaces. Also, the kind of material you choose need to withstand some of the harsher chemicals, and also UV sterilization in some cases. User interface is an important part. We have seen that touch screen have been traditionally or has been a very popular format for the devices, but again, in some cases, having a touch screen, you have to be in proximity to the device, and at times those devices are in proximity to the patient, so it poses again a risk for the doctors or the clinicians. So opportunities to explore around non-touch formats of user interface is something which is going to gain prominence, especially in the field of voice recognition or gesture control as well. Another aspect is some of the devices are actually going through a very heavy workload. They are working 24/7, and maintaining and monitoring these devices is going to be extremely important, because life is at stake, and if anything goes wrong, then there's a higher risk for the patient as well. So technology again is going to play an important part, in areas like having digital twins or coming up with models for predictive maintenance is going to help to plan out the asset and the entire management of these assets in an emergency environment. So these are a few areas which are going to bring in change in the way we look at design, and there are many more, but there are a few areas which are going to be really significantly changed when it comes to designing for medical devices and healthcare equipment. I want to thank you for your time, and be safe.